Milpark Education is a registered higher education provider of business qualifications, offering online and distance learning ways to study. For over 20 years, we have been supporting Milpark students in their quest to achieve their education goals, ensuring that we provide a learning environment of high responsiveness, interaction and quality. We offer multiple qualifications within our 5 schools, these schools being the Business School, the School of Commerce, the School of Investment and Banking, the School of Financial Planning and Insurance, and the School of Professional Accounting, known as CA Connect. We can help you by equipping you with the knowledge and skills to lead in a changed world, guiding you towards achieving your career goals, and by offering you flexibility and more involvement in the way you learn. We know that everyone is unique and each educational journey is too. That's why we allow you to choose from high quality and accessible distance or online learning solutions, empower you to draw up your own program choices that fit in with your life, offer you payment and timetable options to suit your personal needs. With the right education partner, anything is possible. Let our expert academics and experienced support teams show you how to achieve the success you dream of. Milpark Education. We partner with you on your learning journey.